So welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss about design and simulation of a booth multiplier using Verilog HDL and which will be simulated using Cadence nclaunch tool. And hopefully we know about booth multiplier, which is mainly used for the signed multiplication. And this is the algorithm flow chart. And we may compare Q0 and Q minus 1. Whenever the digits are 1, 1 or 0, 0, just we do arithmetic right shift. And if it is 0, 1, we'll update the accumulator as A is equal to A plus M. If it is 1, 0, we'll update accumulator as A is equal to A minus M. Then we may do the arithmetic right shift. For each iterations, the count will get decremented. When the count reaches 0, we may stop the process. Finally, we can consider the A and Q register will be the final product of the given multiplier and multiplicator. Now this is a Verilog code for both multiplier. So, and this is the test bench code. Now we are going to execute this into Cadence. Just open the Cadence tool. I'm going to have my folder. So create a new folder. Let's remove the underscore port multiplier and open the folder and open the terminal. Press create the Verilog file. So my file name is both underscore multiplier with the extension of .v. Once if I entered, it will open the text editor window where I can type the both multiplier Verilog programming. So this is the Verilog code for both multiplier that you can, as of now, for time being, I can copy. But for almost time, once if it is completed, so save your file, which will be stored in the given directory 24.25 even sum x8 underscore both underscore mul with the file name of both multiplier.v. Once file is saved, you can close it and go back to the terminal. Now create the test vector test bench both underscore multiplier underscore 3d.v. Okay. My file name is both underscore multiplier underscore testbench.v. It will open another text editor where I can type my test bench program. Once program is typed, you can save. Again, go back to the terminal. So here we have the two files, both underscore multiplier dot v and both underscore multiplier dot 3d dot v. So I can go for PCSH. I can open the cadence. Cadence to reset. Now we can launch our VLSI and launch for the typical experiment simulation. Now it will redirect you to the new window. Okay, so now you can choose the directory. Launch the them. So now this is my directory. After selecting the directory, go to the file, set design directory. Again, choose a directory here. Create the cds.library file for your own directory and check the directory here and then save it with the same name. Do not change the library name. And for all the default library to simulate to work all the keywords. Okay. So just go okay. Insert the fine. First click on the both underscore multiplier dot v file. And we know there are three steps in the simulations named as compilation, elaboration, and simulation. The first step will be the compilations. So choose the .v file and go for the compilations. Okay, I compile the .v file. So the console is showing no error in my program. So let me go for the test bench compilations. Just choose the test bench and do the compilation here. Whether it's also compiled properly. Now, once if the compilation is done, you can go for the elaboration. To work elaboration, go to the work lib and you will have your test bench file as well as the source file. Choose the test bench file and do the elaboration. So this is called as elaborator. Once elaboration is done, again it's also not showing any error, so I can move further. So the next step will be the simulation. So to do simulations, move on to the screenshot. So sorry, snapshots. So click on the work lib on dot booth underscore multiplier dot underscore tb, and now the simulation icon has been enabled. Just click on it. That will redirect you to the new simulation window where we can able to see our waveform for the given test vectors. Now this is a simulation window that is called a simulation window. Now we want to see as output in terms of the waveform. So right click, send to waveform window. Now this is a simulation window where we can be able to see your output as a waveform. So to get the output, just do the run. Okay. Now I'm getting some output here. Let me cross verify the output as per the test vectors. Okay. So this is the product and this is the one, this is the Q. Okay. So you can power it like this. Just click on this, do right click. That will ask you to the sign. If I click on sign, it will take the positive or negative sign based on the given test vectors. Here the sign is multiplicator 7 and the another one that's a Q. Q is a multiplier. Again do right click and just look at the sign. So here I given the negative number, so it is -5. If you multiply 7 and -5, the answer is minus the 5. And hence my test work has been correctly given the answers. So my both multiplier like for Testbench code is working properly. Okay, we can close this session. Thank you.